Imagine you're saving up for a dream vacation, a new car, or maybe even a down payment on a house. You've been diligently setting aside money each month, but you're worried about inflation eating away at your savings. What if there was a way to invest your money and potentially grow it faster than traditional savings accounts? That's where Stash comes in. But here's the million-dollar question: is Stash only for U.S. citizens? Let's dive into that. Understanding Stash. Stash is an investment app that makes it easy for anyone to start investing, even with small amounts of money. It offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. But is this service exclusive to U.S. residents? Stash's global reach. While Stash primarily focuses on the U.S. market, it has been expanding its reach to other countries. Currently, Stash is available in Canada. This expansion suggests that the company is exploring opportunities to serve a wider global audience. Factors limiting global expansion. There are several factors that might limit Stash's ability to expand to more countries. These include regulatory hurdles. Different countries have varying financial regulations that can make it challenging for investment platforms to operate. Tax implications. Cross-border investments can be complex and often involve tax considerations that may deter users. Currency fluctuations. Exchange rate volatility can impact the value of investments and create additional risks. Cultural differences. Different cultures may have varying attitudes towards investing and financial planning, which can influence the demand for such services. Potential future expansion. Despite these challenges, Stash has shown a willingness to expand its operations. As the company continues to grow and the regulatory landscape evolves, it's possible that Stash may enter additional markets in the future. However, it's important to note that there's no guarantee of this happening. Alternative investment options. If you're not a U.S. citizen or Canadian resident, don't worry. There are plenty of other investment platforms available that cater to a global audience. Some popular options include Robinhood, a commission-free trading platform that offers a wide range of investment options. eToro, a social trading platform that allows you to follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. Wealthsimple, a Canadian investment platform that offers a variety of investment products, including ETFs and robo-advisors. Interactive Brokers, a full-service brokerage firm that provides a wide range of investment tools and services. Choosing the right platform. When selecting an investment platform, it's important to consider factors such as fees and costs. Compare the fees charged by different platforms to find the most affordable option. Investment options. Ensure that the platform offers the types of investments you're interested in. User experience. Look for a platform with a user-friendly interface and helpful customer support. Regulatory oversight. Choose a platform that is regulated by a reputable financial authority. So, is Stash only for U.S. citizens? While the company primarily serves the U.S. market, it has been expanding its reach to other countries. However, there are still limitations to its global availability due to regulatory hurdles, tax implications, and other factors. If you're not a U.S. citizen or Canadian resident, there are many other investment platforms available that can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.